courts begin liberalizing bail in UAPA cases, does it risk weakening India's anti-terror framework?
Can I just answer the question that you had raised first regarding delay, because it's connected? And to that, I would like to say is this, that you see, delay in trial is a systematic issue across the Indian criminal justice system, all across India, not unique to UAPA. I mean, it's even there in a 138 Negotiable Instrument Act case. Let's be reasonable. The only difficulty with the UAPA case is the sheer magnitude of thousands of documents, the encrypted devices, the forensic extraction, the difficulty that, because this is a very large conspiracy, there are conspirators at large who perhaps are trying to systematically destroy evidence or witnesses, etc. To protect the witnesses, there are multiple accused, there are multiple lawyers involved, there is interstate coordination that is required. And so, because of these complexities, yes, there is delay. But that's not just unique to UAPA because it's UAPA, it's because of the sheer nature of the case. Now, as far as the second question is concerned, please do understand that national interest should trump everything else. And I do understand that Article 21, your right to life, speedy justice, all of that is sacrosanct. And nothing can trump over your fundamental rights. But there is also a responsibility of the state to protect its citizens. And that responsibility is much higher, because after a bomb goes off somewhere, you cannot in the hindsight say, oh, if I would have done that, I would have protected my citizens. And that's my answer to your second question.
So ordinary bail principles can't really apply to extraordinary security threats, and that's the way it has to be. It's coincidental that there is a systemic issue, there is pendency of cases, there's a lot of paperwork, different sets and batteries of lawyers, all of that. That's the logistical and the systemic problem that is coupled with this. But the bottom line is that when it comes to national threat, well, your fundamental rights can take the back seat.
I did not really say that. What I said was that your fundamental rights are sacrosanct. But there's a larger issue of the state's responsibility to protect its citizens. Because the citizens also have a fundamental right, when you pay your taxes, when you're a citizen of a country, that the country protects you. And the country protects you how? Through the state mechanism. And so, while liberty is fundamental, but liberty cannot become detached from societal security. The Constitution protects not only the accused, but also the innocent citizens who have been threatened by organized violence. And that perhaps is the fundamental question here, that whether the larger interest can trump over an individual interest or not.